Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, change the color. Then select another shape, select the erase color, go back the color white, select the 3D shape, extrusion. Then select another shape, remove the background, select the erase color, select the shape, change the color of shape, change the color. Then select the text edit, select animal. Then select another shape, change the shape, duplicate the shape, duplicate the shape. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.